408 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and the war is still going on. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Monday, November the 18th, 2024. We have not so good news because we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. No extra puzzles. Let me show you. No extra puzzles. So only 3 regular puzzles. Well, we have the last weekend a lot of puzzles done. So maybe next day, tomorrow, we have extra puzzles. But today, all extra puzzles. Only these 3 regular puzzles. And the first one I will do is the 3 Stars Sudoku. This will be number 9612. 9612. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is it a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the one in this column, the one in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left, for the one should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 8, 8. Alright, 9, 9. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in this column, no 9 and 7 in these 3 boxes. 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1, 2, 6 here. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. Alright. Then let me see. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers 1, the 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the last one, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes at there. Then 6. Well, 9, 9. How about 8, 5, 5. I need a 3 here. Need a 6 here. 6 there. Yeah, I'm thinking. I need a 1 here. Well, we have 1 in this column, 1 in one of these 3 boxes in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first one, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 in this box, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in one of those 3 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. 4, 5, 3. Okay. 8, 8. 1 in the first row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. Second row, the only place left of the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column should come next. The only 2 places left of the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So the row above. Only place left of the 1 should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 6. 2 and the 6, okay. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 1. Alright, 6 6. 6 6. Need a 5 here. 9. Need a 9 there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place level 3 should be there. 1 2 2 3. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. The 8 could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In the last row, one of the missing number is a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column. Last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 6 and 7. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next on that column. The only place left with 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last one. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 6 6. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 8 7 8. We have a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the second column. So the third column. The only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left. 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. No, we need a 5 here. 5 in this column, 5 here in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Here, 5 there, 5. So we have all the 5s now. And let me see which number. Which number can I pick? 8, 8. Need a 6 here. Yeah. In this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the third one, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 6 in this big square. Shoot down. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left with a 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. Then let me see. 4 and 9. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this big square. No 9 there. 9 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and 7. 3 and 2. Okay. Then let me see. How about the 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Alright, now 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left is 7, should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square, I believe the same numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Can I count the 7s, and all the 7s are used? I can't see the number 4, number 7. How about 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there, 8 should be here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 6, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square, same numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have 3 in this third column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 12 minutes, well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes, so well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.